So I've decided that I'm going to make some very basic mods, because I would like people that watch my videos to maybe be inspired, or at least go out and try and make their own mods. So today we're going to start off with making an octagonal barrel. I already have one, and in fact it was the first mod I ever made, but it is very low quality. It's made out of a very bad cube, and I didn't do a great job of it. I'm going to use the same method that I used to make my half-truncated cube, because that worked very well. So here you can see the lines that I've marked on the puzzle to show you where you need to cut. I tend to cut off a lot less plastic than I need to, because that means that I can just sand away the excess plastic rather than having to build up the puzzle with putty later. I suggest you do the same. And here's the final puzzle. I'm quite happy with how this turned out. It turns very nicely, and it's still very light. There are very little imperfections in it, as you would expect, but it's not very noticeable. It's only if you really take your time to find imperfections. Some of the plastic that I used on this puzzle wasn't that great. It was advertised as a millimeter thick, even though it was only like 0.7 millimeters thick, so that kind of affected the quality of it a bit. But other than that, it's very nice. Yeah,